Which one of these is going to be able to get this grease out? Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are going to be putting Dawn Powerwash versus the Palmolive Oxy Deep Grease Cutting Power. We're going to be putting them to the test. If you know, you know. If you've ever been into a grocery store, how many of these products do you see? How do you know which one to pick? Do you read the directions? Do you read the labels? Do you read what the product says it will do? Well, this is the most expensive product. As you know, you are familiar with Dawn Power Spray. Everybody is familiar with Dawn Power Spray. But I believe everybody is familiar with Palmolive. So let's put these two products to the test to see which one actually works the best. These glass baking dishes have been sitting for 2 days after cooking cheeseburgers, and honestly, they look pretty rough. We've got dried grease, baked on cheese, and plenty of residue stuck to the glass. Today, I'm putting Dawn Powerwash and Palmolive head to head to find out which one tackles this mess better. One reason I love doing these comparisons is because product formulas don't stay the same forever. Manufacturers are constantly making changes, whether it's ingredients, cleaning agents, or overall performance. So even if you've used these products for years, they may not work exactly like they used to. That's why I'm testing Dawn Powerwash and Palmolive side by side today to see how they perform right now, not how we remembered them performing years ago. No shortcuts here. Both dishes were used the same way. Both sat for the same amount of time, and both are getting the exact same cleaning treatment. I'm spraying Dawn Powerwash on one side and using Palmolive on the other. The goal is simple. Which product removes the grease faster and requires less scrubbing? This is exactly the kind of mess that can make dishwashing frustrating. So if one of these products can cut through the 2-day-old burger grease with less effort, that's a big win. So far, I'm already noticing a difference, but let's keep cleaning and see which one comes out on top. At this point, both of these baking dishes were honestly too dirty to simply wipe clean. After sitting for 2 days with baked on cheeseburger grease and residue, there was no way either one was coming clean without some scrubbing. So into the sink they go for the real test. I'll be honest, I expected to do some scrubbing with the Palmolive side. That's pretty normal when you're dealing with dried on food and grease that's been sitting for 48 hours. What surprised me was the Dawn Powerwash side. Based on all the hype around this product, I thought it would break down more of the residue before I started scrubbing. Instead, I found myself putting in more effort than I expected. Don't get me wrong, both products are working on the grease, but neither one is giving me a completely hands-off cleaning experience. For a mess this tough, some elbow grease is definitely still required. As I continue scrubbing, I'm paying close attention to which product loosens the baked-on residue faster, and which side takes less overall effort to get clean. That's really what matters when you're standing at the sink dealing with dishes like these. So far, this test isn't going exactly the way I expected, and that's what makes product comparison interesting. Sometimes the results surprise you. Take a close look at the results as I continue scrubbing. Which one do you think is winning so far? Let me know in the comments before I reveal my final verdict. Okay, so which one did I like better when using the Palmolive versus the Dawn? Which one came out on top for me? The Palmolive actually worked in the grease and got it out much easier. I did spray the Dawn, as you've seen in the video. It did not easily bring out everything that I had in these pans. So the Dawn was $1.79. I did get this on sale for $2.99 at my local grocery store, but the original price to this is a little over $5. So I hope this video helps you pick, because like I said, there's so many of these products out there. You just gotta pick and choose which one that you wanna work with. You know, do you like the Dawn products? Do you like the cheaper version products? Honestly, you can't go wrong, but you are gonna have to scrub. I had to scrub with both products, so you know, you're gonna have to scrub. I scrubbed a little bit more with this Dawn Powerwash. I did. So I'm being honest, and on my channel, I am going to bring my honest opinion when it comes to these products. I know if I'm going to a platform to get a review, I'm hoping that I'm getting a good, honest review. So that is what I'm here. That's what I started my channel for. You know, I am a house cleaner. I clean my own homes. I want things that is going to work quick. I know that a lot of us are busy. I'm busy. I know a lot of you are probably busy, so you don't want to spend all day long cleaning your home if you clean your own home. So that is what I'm bringing to you. So I hope this video helped you pick and choose which dish detergent that you want to try. Like I said, there's so many of them out there to try. But I would give the Palmolive Oxy a try to see how you like it. And if you found value in this video, please give it a like. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite dish detergent to use. I know a lot of us have dishwashers now. We can put our dishes in the dishwasher, but there's some dishes that you cannot put in the dishwasher, so you gotta hand wash them. So what is your go-to product? Let me know in the comments. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. That helps my channel grow tremendously, and I do greatly appreciate you subscribing, watching the videos, and letting me know, giving me your feedback of your go-to products. Until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.